Sophie, thank you so much for joining me for this
Thank you for having
conversation.
me.
I've been wanting to meet you for a long time. My friend gave me a bag of Yvedon's products, and I was thinking, oh, okay, he told me about a story between the French luxury and the Japanese precision, a romantic story behind it too. I'm like, this is a really great idea, and the packaging looks wonderful and so luxurious. But topical products, probably gonna take months to work. But I put the special mask on, I put this essence water on, oh my God, 15 minutes later, it gave me a new life. It literally pulled me out of postnatal depression. I really want to know the technology behind it and the story of the triple collagen. Please tell us about it.
So as you were saying, Evidence has a double heritage of French and Japanese history. And the story is based, as you mentioned as well, the love story between Charles-Edouard and his wife Eriko. They met in an elevator, couldn't communicate in the beginning, but they knew very early on that they were going to spend their lives together. And Charles-Edouard, seeing his wife struggling, different products and putting her skin under so much pressure with, different products that she was trying, decided that because she had sensitive skin, she couldn't continue to damage her skin the way that she was doing. And of course, because he's the romantic, decided that he couldn't let that continue and he had to create an answer for her. Because of this, double heritage of French and Japanese, and because this whole idea of the brand was born into a couple, he wanted also to reflect that into the brand and to couple the best of the two worlds.
Yes.
And so that's why everything is a combination of two things. So we have two main ingredients, one coming from Japan, one coming from France. You have the precision and the art of beauty, Japanese style, and the layering, the ceremony that goes with the Japanese way of beauty. And you also have the sensoriality, the art de vivre, as we say in French, that goes with the French way of doing things. And the main ingredient that comes from France is the eau de la fou. It's a very pure spring water.
How do you say that in French again?
Eau de la fou.
So beautiful. How great that water is.
So this is the moisturizing lotion. The three products that you have here, actually, they are very good bestsellers among the range. They have been with Evidence since the beginning. So since the inception of the brand, I think the first 11 products, the wind doesn't cooperate with us today.
I know.
Since the inception of the brand, these three products have been there. And it was important also for Charles-Edouard to propose a moisturizing lotion as a step zero, so to say.
Right.
I mean, right after, of course, removing and cleansing your skin, to have this moisturizing step in the shape of a lotion, a very watery lotion that acts as a pre-serum almost. So it will activate also your skin. Of course, it will moisturize it because you have the triple collagen, you have the eau de la fou and everything. But it also boosts your skin to make it even more receptive, anything that you will apply afterwards.
Right. I love these two together.
Yes.
They're like a match made in heaven. I'm serious,
They work
ladies.
perfectly
Try
together.
it. You will be shocked. It's like miracles in two jars. So tell us these two combined and the quadrupled effects it would have on your skin.
So in both of the products, of course, have the eau de la fou and the triple collagen. So when you mix them together, so first you apply the moisturizing lotion, so it will, boost your skin. And then, as you were saying, when you apply the icy effect that you have with the special mask, it will wake up your skin, it will lift your skin, illuminate your skin, refresh your skin immediately. You remove the excess because, as you mentioned, you apply this mask for 15 minutes, remove the excess with a pad with moisturizing lotion, and then you can go on with the rest of your routine. But the combination of the two actually makes for, extra moisturizing skin, plump skin, lifted skin, so you're just ready for the day.